In an isolated mountain region, a lone survivalist is making final checks on their gear. A weather radio crackles with the warning of an incoming flood. As the first raindrops fall, the survivalist hastily constructs a makeshift raft from logs and ropes. Their hands, steady and focused, suggest years of experience. The water level rises rapidly, turning calm streams into raging torrents. Our survivalist navigates the turbulent waters, skillfully steering the raft through the chaos. The floodwaters carry debris and danger, but the survivalist remains calm, using their knowledge of the river and its currents to avoid hazards. Night falls, and the survivalists seek shelter on higher ground. They build a fire, their face reflecting its warm glow, a beacon of hope against the dark. As dawn breaks, the waters recede, revealing a transformed landscape. The survivalist surveys the scene, their resilience a testament to human adaptability. Finally, the survivalist signals for help using a flare gun. As the bright flare illuminates the sky, they know they've survived the flood. This is a story of survival, of resilience against nature's wrath. It teaches us that with knowledge and preparation, we can overcome any disaster.